Leo and Lino yawn cutely and look at their parents. Good morning, my love. Remember, a good brush makes for a happy smile. Look at your new beard! I love it! Mama Lion folding small towels. Cubs, it's time for breakfast!